Hello, this is Chanyoung Im. One challenge encountered during the insertion process was the bulkiness of the folded haptic and optic, which occasionally caused kinking in the corneal incision wound. When the folded haptic and optic were inserted together, they could enlarge the injector cartridge canal, leading to the folded mass getting stuck in the incision tunnel. To overcome this issue, I have found that folding the haptic and optic separately can prevent kinking. By inserting the folded leading haptic into the cartridge canal first, followed by the optic, the insertion process becomes smoother with no kinking or resistance. The key to this technique is folding the leading haptic in a separate plane from the optic. Additionally, when pushing the folded mass, rotating the lens forceps 90 degrees can facilitate the process. I hope this video provides you with helpful insights. Thank you.